welcome to our channel. Today I bring another recipe, and this recipe from Italian food, and it's called
spaghetti bolognese.
So Jasmine going to explain you how we cook and what about it.
So spaghetti bolognese is a food in Italy. It's a very famous dish, and in the UK people do eat it. And so basically how you make this dish is it's mince, onions and a special sauce. There's this sauce and then you combine them together and then you put mushrooms in and then your noodles and then combine them all together and then you can put any toppings you want like cheese. It does sound confusing, but when you see the dish.
So guys, I'm telling you step by step, so let's begin.
This is our ingredients.
So what we need, I have got lamb mince and I have got spaghetti. This is I'm using whole wheat. This is the brown. If you like, you can use the white one. Then I have got fresh mushroom, white mushroom, and I have got one medium size of white onion, this size of garlic,
The special powder for spaghetti bolognese.
yes, and 4 cheese mix. It's optional you want to use a cheese or not. This is the herbs. Again, fresh basil.
You can put it on top of the spaghetti.
Spaghetti, yeah.
It's optional.
So I have got 2 medium green chili. And guys, we need 1 tin of tomato, Italian peeled plum tomatoes. You can use any kind of tin of tomato. So guys, my pan is already hot, so I'm going to add only this size of spoon of oil, maybe 1 or 2. When it's warm, the oil, you just add the garlic. Add the garlic and fry only 1 to 2 minutes till the garlic smell go away little bit. I slice the onion size, so I'm going to add. Then fry again till little bit brown. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add according to your taste. Next, I'm going to add green chili, 2 medium size. You guys must be thinking Italian food and green chili, how come? You know, normally in food there is no chili, very bland, or sometimes Indian people think it's very plain, can't eat. So this is, as an Indian, I just want to change my taste, so I just add green chili. Is optional, you guys. If you don't want to add green chili, it's totally optional because there is no masala or any other spices, so little bit change the taste. So guys, you must try this recipe. This is a super duper healthy and easy to cook. So guys, you can see a little bit brown now, so I'm going to add lamb mince. You can break with a spoon because it's packed. So guys, I'm using 2 packs of lamb mince. In 1 packet is 500 grams, so I use 2 pack. That means it's 1 kg. So 4-5 people. So guys, it's 5 to 7 minutes already I cooked the mince. So you can see the color already changed. So next I'm going to add the mushroom, then stir. Again I'm going to cook 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2-3 minutes I'm going to add tin of tomatoes. So you can see guys. So this is the 400 gram there, and this is the tin. If you don't want to use the tin tomatoes, you can use also fresh tomatoes. I'm just going to open like this. You can see tomato is not chopped raw. This is a plum, the whole. So you can mash here like this with a spoon. Just do like that. Then I'm going to cook another 2-3 minutes. Keep mash like that. So make sure you break all, even the whole tomatoes. Then lid on. Next I'm going to mix with the water. Make a paste like open like this. Add into the bowl. So you can see this is the dry powder. So add the cold water, no hot water. If you add the hot water, it's lumpy. So slowly add the water and mix. Make sure there is no lump. There is a color is little bit redness. So guys, you can see it's mixed very well. There's no lump. As you can see, it's all water come out from mushroom and mince. So don't worry, it will be dry by the time they cook the meat. So we want to make sure meat cook properly. And I'm going to add mixer into there. Keep stirring. Gas was a high flame. Now I'm going to put little bit low flame. Then cover up and keep stirring in the middle, and I will cook till the mince not cook. So guys, keep stirring like that. Next I'm going to add oregano herbs dry. Only 1 teaspoon. So guys, you can see the color is so nice and beautiful color. So by the time when I cook the mince, I'm going to transfer this mince another small gas. Then I'm going to boil this spaghetti. So next I have got very big pan and I put water. So let it boil first. So guys, you can see the water is very hot, nearly boiling. So I'm going to add little bit oil there to make sure the noodle no stick each other. So it's staying. If you put oil there, so its noodle will be all separate. Then after that I'm going to add spaghetti there slowly. Slightly going to keep pushing down there. You can see the water is reduced. It will be ready another 5 minutes. So look at the color, so beautiful. So guys, you can see it's cooked. So I'm going to drain the water. So guys, you can see it's all water reduced and it's cooked already. So I'm going to gas off. Then I'm going to make a plate. So going like this on the top. Then I'm going to put little bit cheese, little bit like this. Then I'm going to put on the top fresh basil. So this is the final look. So guys, you must try this recipe. It's very healthy. There is no any spices or any lots of chili or something like that. So this is my delicious Italian food tonight. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.